Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. As per the latest report from the Indian Express, the 19-seater SARAS Mk II aircraft has entered into critical design stage. An open-air engine test bed, aircraft environmental system ground test, and a high-fidelity real-time flight simulator were recently commissioned to test various subsystems of the aircraft. The aircraft environmental system ground test facility has been set up to test the complete environmental control system (ECS), the pneumatic deice system, the life support system, and the cabin pressure control system of the SARAS Mk II aircraft. The facility will enable to check the performance of ECS at various engine bleed conditions at ground level. It has a full-scale mock-up of cabin and cockpit with all interiors air distribution systems exactly as an aircraft, and this is what also we can see in the pictures shared by the Indian Express. Earlier, this kind of testing had to be done on aircraft, which was time consuming and was very expensive. The high-fidelity real-time simulator is meant for piloted evaluations of aircraft dynamics and testing malfunctions. The facility can simulate all possible avionics parameters and check the functionality, reachability, vision clearance, etc. of all the instrument panels. The test facility is equipped with all critical line replaceable units and subsystems such as air-cooled cooling system, fuel supply system, engine control, starter generator, electrical systems required for the engine ground run. Now, as we all know that the Council for Scientific and Industrial Research National Aerospace Laboratory CSIR-NAL has undertaken the design, development and certification of SARAS-Mk II. The aircraft is going to be 19-seater, high-wing, twin-turboprop, multi-role aircraft. The most prominent feature of SARAS-Mk II is going to be autopilot using AFCS, that is Automatic Flight Control System and Flight Director Systems. The 1:1 model of SARAS-Mk II was showcased in the Wings of India 2022. On 13th May, the taxi trials of aircraft was conducted to evaluate an indigenously developed digital anti-skid braking management system. The low-speed taxi trial was conducted at a speed of about 30 knots and the results were highly satisfactory. There will be about 15 to 20 more taxi trials to evaluate system performance. The state-of-art brake-by-wire electro-hydraulic braking system is configured around indigenously built, most advanced high-performance integrated avionics and flight control computer. The aircraft will be initially certified by the Center for Military Airworthiness and Certification for the military role and later by the Directorate General of Civil Aviation for the civil role. The first flight of SARAS-Mk II is planned in the year 2024 and the production from 2026-27 onwards. The SARAS-Mk II will be ideal commuter connectivity under Government of India UDAN scheme for a variety of applications like air taxi, aerial search, survey, executive transport, disaster management, border patrol, coast guard, ambulance and other community services. Its successful development will be one of the game changer in the history of civil aviation in India. The 19-seater aircraft will be at least 20 to 25% lower in the cost when compared with other aircraft in similar category. The unit cost of aircraft with more than 70% indigenous content will be around 40 to 45 crores against 60 to 70 crores for imported ones and has far more benefits than what imported aircrafts offer. The SARAS-Mk II will have many enhancements over its previous version such as drag weight reduction with unique features like high cruise speed, lower fuel consumption, short landing and takeoff distance, low cabin noise, operable from high and hot airfield with pressurized cabin, operable from semi-prepared airfield and low acquisition and maintenance cost. It is going to be a 7.5-ton aircraft and will have an endurance of 6.1 hours with a service ceiling of 30,270 feet. It will have a maximum range of 775 kilometers with a max payload of 19 passengers and a range of 2,450 kilometers with 7 passengers. Its maximum cruise speed will be 500 kilometers per hour. The takeoff distance for SARAS-Mk II is going to be 790 meters and landing distance of 740 meters. The aircraft will be powered by two Pratt & Whitney PTA-6A 678 turboprop engines with composite propellers in the tractor configuration. This was today's update. Please let us know your views on this in comment section. If you like the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind. We'll soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in the defense sector.